Hi everyone, in this quick video we're going to demonstrate how you can enable the talking dial on a Panasonic TGM420 or 450 decked telephone series. So what do we mean by the talking dial? Well, when you actually type a number, there will be a voice that reads it out, so it's a little bit easier to do that. So for example, now as you can see, as I'm typing, I just get a beep and then I can see what I'm typing or what I'm dialing. So in order to enable the talking dial, all you need to do is go into the menu by pressing the menu button and then typing hash, this is the hash key here, 750. And we can already see on the screen says talking dial, which is currently off. We then have two additional options to select from, low and high, and this is the volume. For demonstration purposes, I'm going to select high, so hopefully you can hear a little bit better. Okay, and now let's exit. By the way, you can also do this for the base unit, right? So in case someone's calling, you can hear it there as well. Just going to exit, and now, let's see, as I dial, I'm gonna pick up my microphone here, bring it a little bit closer.
0, 8, 5, 6, 5.
And you can hear how the phone now actually reads out the number that's being dialed. Thanks for watching, hope this helps, and we'll see you in the next one.